Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining problem on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if your iPhone is consuming a lot of battery on iOS 26, if you have updated it to the latest version, here I will give you some tips which will help you to increase the battery timing or battery life of your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and now you have to scroll it below and go to general, then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you. You have to simply update it to the latest version. So guys, if there is any beta update available for you, update it, and after this go back, and now you have to go to iPhone storage, and from here delete some useless apps from your device as well. And after this go to iPhone storage and make sure that your storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data from your device for one time as well. So I do this, and after this go to VPN and device management, and from here make sure that you are not connected with any VPN all the time. So guys, you have to simply use the VPN whenever you need. So guys, after this you have to simply give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.